students, St. Michael's Academy e-learning class KG1 subject Maths written. Today we are going to learn tables 2 and 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 1 4 14, 2 eights are 1 6 16, 2 nines are 1 8 18, 2 tens are 2 0 20. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 1 2 12, 3 fives are 15, 1 5 15, 3 6 are 18, 1 8 18, 3 sevens are 21, 2 1 21, 3 eights are 24, 2 4 24, 3 nines are 27, 2 7 27, 3 tens are 30. Homework: Maths written, say and write tables 2 and 3 2 times in HW and classwork copy. Thank you.